Hello student, welcome to the National Children Higher Secondary School. I hope you all are doing well at home. So children, today we are going to learn about naming words or noun. So children, what is naming words? Names help us to identify person, places, animals and things. So children, person, place, animals, things के नेम हमें उन्हें आइडेंटिफाई करने में हेल्प करते हैं एंड पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग्स के नेम को ही हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स और नाउन कहते हैं. Persons means व्यक्ति. So children, you see many people around us like teacher, doctor and mother. These are the names of persons means ये व्यक्तियों के नाम हैं. You can also say that naming words are the name of persons. व्यक्तियों के नाम को naming words और noun कहते हैं. Places means स्थान. Children, we go to different places like park, market and schools. These are the names of places. ये स्थान के नेम हैं. स्थान के नेम को भी हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स कहते हैं. You can also say that naming words are the names of places. Animals means जानवर. Children, you must have seen many animals like elephant, cat and dog. These are the names of animals. जानवरों के नेम को भी हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स और नाउन कहते हैं. You can also say that naming words are the name of animals. Things means वस्तु. So children, you see many things around us like table, fan and bag. These are the names of things. ये सब वस्तुओं के नेम हैं. वस्तुओं के नेम को हम नेमिंग वर्ड्स और नाउन कहते हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो से दैट नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर द नेम ऑफ थिंग्स. Children, let's do the exercise now. Let us now identify the noun in the following sentences. The cow lives in a shed. Here, cow and shed are naming words. A doctor treats the patients. Doctor and patients are the naming words. Ria has beautiful doll. Here, Ria and doll are the naming words. The dress has pretty flowers. Dress and flowers are the naming words. So children, today we have learned naming words and in our next video we will learn one and many words. Don't forget to like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.